You see how this tree has fallen across the old road. You see how all the limbs right through the middle are broken. Now we used to go up and around, but apparently, I'm guessing the elk have gone through here so many times they've just broke it down and decided to barge right through. We'll see what she decides to do. Oh, yeah, I didn't even see it. It kind of goes underneath there, up and around. That's the way they've been going. Rather than hopping over these, they go up around, and I imagine come out on, just on the other side of that deadfall there. Let's see what she does. She's gonna check that area out. See the trail there. See if she turns around. What do you think, girl? Did they go that way or not? Head up. So she's thinking, and I'm guessing she's going to work her way back. We'll see when she gets over here what happens. Pretty, huh? There she comes, doing a slow circle. Wondering what happened to the trail. See what she does when she gets over here.